laptop in Windows 10. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to toolbar and click on right click. So we will get some option like this, and you have to click show touch keyboard button. So we can touch keyboard button. So if you open notepad and if you open keyboard, then there is an option keyboard. So here you can get all emojis printed like this. There is another way which we can use emojis. If you want to search emoji, you can search. So there are many emojis you can use, and there is another way. So press start and full stop button. So we will get all emojis here. We can type emojis, or you can type king. Let's type king. So we get here crown. So if we type car, so here is a car, like that. We will get all the emojis in your PC. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy this.